Hello again, YouTubers. Today I just got some stuff here that's stuff that aggravates me, and some of it's funny. I don't really know what the title is. I want to make up a title, but first it's about when you go to the doctor. You know, you get the script there. Well, they used to give you a little script and you couldn't read it. Well, this is pretty much what happens. When you try to read it, it sounds like and then you know, you go to the pharmacist and he looks at it, and then the pharmacist says to himself, "Yep, Oxycontin." And here's a good question: why do men have to lean up against the wall to pee? Does anybody have any idea? I mean, you're leaving handprints on the wall, by the way. If and number 3, actually there needs to be like a public urinal. They need the instructions on how to pee. You know, you're supposed to lean up against it firmly, you know, and pee, and then, you know, when you're done, then step back. It's real simple. Of course, you shake off, you know. Something else that bothers me there: why pay a stripper and get all hot and bothered, then go on home? You might as well just get a prostitute to strip and then have sex. I mean, I'm not trying to promote prostitution, but it just makes more sense. And excuse me, I have allergies today. Another thing that bothers me, why don't people like to know the truth? Even though it is scary most of the time, I still like to know. I can't figure that part out either. You know, when it involves, you know, sickness and death, it's kind of an important thing. You know, your money. But here's another one: why have condom snorting challenges and clothes detergent pod eating challenges? I tell you what you need to do. I challenge everybody to find out about evil in this world, find out who the beast is, and fight against it. That's the real challenge. How many people can do that? Figure out the Bible. That's a challenge. And they write other versions of the Bible, try to help you understand it, when you just need the King James Version and look up your words. As you can see here, I posted that I make handmade crafts like carpenter bee traps that prevents them from making holes in your homes. I can't understand why people don't buy those, because they're going to destroy your house. They're going to eat it up just like a termite. The horseshoe nail crosses, I make those, and I mean, that just reminds me to carry my own cross. I'll even send pictures of stuff if you want to see it. And, you know, Infowars and PrisonPlanet.com, this online news, watch that and you'll see what's really going on in the world. You know, the GoingToJesus.com and Isaiah 58 shows you Bible truth too. If you're seeking the baptism of the Holy Spirit of evidence and speaking other tongues. But you can go to Hidden Secret there that I've got on here that you can see. It'll tell a lot about all this stuff that I've been talking about. Well, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.